Hello and welcome to this section. In this section, I'm going to show us how you can find the perfect username and why it matters. Without wasting much time, let's go straight to the course. So, you can use your Fiverr search box, to search for a lookalike name that is the lookalike to your gig for easy SEO, ranking. Let's say, for instance, you want to go into logo design. You can just say logo. You can see when you say logo, you see this username has appeared in the first, the search engine suggestions. Logo goddess. So sometimes, let's say, a buyer wants to buy, it doesn't need to even go straight to straight itself. You just pick from this suggestion, click on logo goddess. You see, logo goddess is the top seller, level 2 seller. Logo goddess. It has over 200 and something review. It just delivered 16 days ago. I've been there since 2016. You see, so with this logo goddess can easily be identified on this platform. You can see some of his jobs, clean designs. You can see some of his jobs. So let's say you are doing social media. You see social media median 7. This is social media suggested name. So social media services, social media. You understand? So, but if you don't want to do it that way, you can also use your name. You can use your name, Marcus. Okay, like this, Marcus of. See, you can see be on the top seller. So, it's a matter of knowing your skill, mastering your skills. You can sell anything, sellable. Can use your name. Unlike I use my business brand name, PMark Records. Use my brand name, PMark Records. You can see me, PMark Records. See, people ranking on records. So you can add anything. You can decide to use. See this CP1 record, blah record, is record, because they're into digital recording and translation, video and translation niche. So you can choose any name, but let your name be something similar to the service you're offering, the niche you are in. If you're in recording, you should go into if you're in video, audio recording, voiceover animation, mixing, you can just add something like records. You are into content creation, uh, article writing, you can just add something. Article writing, you can see names on article writing. You see some of them, Media Harbor. Okay, some of them are using their name and they're selling well. Freelance Monia, so just choose a name that is very short, for clients to be able to identify easily. Unlike PMark Records, is a name that can easily identify. You can decide to use, let's say my old account when I first started, logo 5050. Let me see if it's still existing. Logo 5050. Oh, seems the account has been closed. So you can just choose a name, that is very easy to identify. That's all. That's my best suggestion for you. Thank you for taking this course.